Hi guys, this is Debanshi and welcome to my channel. I'm trying to look a little cute today by the way. Comment and tell me how do I look. मतलब नार्सिसिज्म की ना हदें पार कर चुकी मैं. Anyways, मैंने सोचा कि बैक टू बैक मैंने बहुत सारे सीरियस टॉपिक्स पे डिस्कशन कर चुकी हूँ मैं. तो आज थोड़ा सा चिल वाला टॉपिक रखते हैं. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू रेकमेंड यू बुक्स इफ़ यू वांट टू बिगिन रीडिंग और इफ़ यू वांट टू improve your English through reading or anything of that sort basically, or if you're a book lover and you need book recommendations. Now I have tried to include books of all the genres in this recommendation video. So maybe आपको अपने पसंद का या फिर आपको अपने इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से एक ना एक बुक तो मिल ही जाएगा. So let's go. Now number one has to be, when it comes to book recommendations, the number one book or rather series has to be Harry Potter. Now I know so many people जिन्होंने Harry Potter का एक भी book नहीं पढ़ा है, but they have watched all the movies. Now listen guys, I don't really want to offend you, but you cannot call yourself a Potterhead अगर आपने books नहीं पढ़ा है तो. Because listen, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि movie अच्छी नहीं है. I feel all the actors have done so much of justice to the characters they portray in the Harry Potter movies. It's just a treat to watch the movies, but books are even better, you know. Movies से ऐसे कई सारे scenes, ऐसे कई सारे plots, ऐसे कई सारे dialogues, ऐसे कई सारे characters को भी उन लोगों ने eliminate कर दिया जो बहुत important है. और जब आप books पर listen, जब आप movie देखते हो ना तो it's really nice, you enjoy watching a movie and you know enjoy all that they do and you appreciate their acting and everything. but जब आप books पढ़ते हो ना हैरी पॉटर की तो you feel like you're there. You feel like you're there at Hogwarts. You feel like you are playing Quidditch. You feel like you are doing potions with Snape. You feel like you are there revising and studying with Hermione. So you feel like you are a part of it. इतनी अच्छी तरीके से ये बुक लिखी गई है. And if you're starting to read something that you can't keep down is Harry Potter. And the best thing about Harry Potter is it does not matter you're 9 or you're 90. You're going to love it for sure. By the way, fun fact, if I had to be a Harry Potter character, I would love to be Luna Lovegood. I just enjoy her so much. मुझे इतनी पसंद है वो. Like I love how she is always अपनी दुनिया में और वो खुश रहती है. No matter whatever is happening, वो हमेशा खुश रहती है. So tell me, which Harry Potter character would you like to portray if you're already a Potterhead? Okay, moving on to the second book. It's Sita by Amish Tripathi. I'm really sorry because ये ऐसे mirror image आ रहा है because I'm shooting in the front camera of my phone. So pardon me for that. If you want, मैं description में सारे books के सारे names लिख दूँगी और link भी share कर दूँगी आपको कहाँ से मिल सकता है. Now coming back to the book. Sita, the Warrior of Mithila. Now this is a part of the Ramachandra series by Amish Tripathi. मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगी because I have made a full length video reviewing the entire Ramachandra series. So if you want to check that out, just surf through my channel. You know, I would have recommended you Ravan because that is actually my favorite. But you cannot really understand Ravan अगर आपने सीता नहीं पढ़ा है तो. So you should read it. The language is very simple. And if you're interested in mythological fiction, then this is going to be a treat for you. Now number 3 is The Missed Call by the Backbenchers series. It's written by Siddharth Oberoi. So this is a very simple, a very teenage sort of a book, teenage love story and the heartbreaks that a teenager faces, the problems, the depression that they go through, the competition in terms of looks, in terms of कौन कितना popular है, and the back bitching that we do and everything. Basically, if you're a teenager, then you will relate to a lot of instances that are described over here. And I'm suggesting you this to beginners because the language is very simple. Okay, the language is very simple. Anybody who has a little bit of knowledge in English वो ये पढ़ सकता है. So yeah. Now next is My Journey by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now इसमें उनकी पूरी journey right from when he was a small town, a small village boy of Rameshwaram to his journey of becoming the 11th president of India. उनकी पूरी journey इसमें बहुत अच्छे से describe की गई है और I would have recommended Wings of Fire, but I'm sure वो आपको already दैट्स अ वेरी पॉपुलर बुक है एंड बहुत लोगों ने उसको पढ़ी भी होगी और कई सारे चैनल्स में वो recommended भी है. तो I just thought of you can read Wings of Fire if you haven't. You should read that. But this is also a very nice book और मैंने इसको इसीलिए recommend किया because it's a very short book. It's not even 200 pages. It's a very thin book. So you can complete it very quickly. Because when you're starting to read, then you're not really patient to read very lengthy books. Like Sita is a very lengthy book. Harry Potter is to an entire series. So if you're starting to read and you're an impatient sort of a reader, then this is meant for you. The next book is The Christmas Cookie Club. Now can we take a moment to appreciate this beautiful cover? My god. You know, I'm being very honest, I got this book just because of the cover. But for all you baking lovers or cooking lovers in general out there, the good thing about this book is बिफोर एवरी चैप्टर आपको रेसिपी दी गई है एक किसी भी कुकीज़ की. लाइक हियर इट इज़ मार्नी कुकीज़. बिफोर चैप्टर 1 इट इज़ गिवन. और हर एक चैप्टर से पहले आपको एक कुकीज़ की रेसिपी मिलेगी. इट्स देयर. सो यू नो, इफ़ यू समबडी हु लव्स कुकिंग, देन मे बी दिस विल इंटरेस्ट यू कि आप कुकिंग भी सीख सकते हो उससे और आप रीडिंग हैबिट भी इनकलकेट कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ द बुक फॉर यू. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, इज़ अबाउट अ क्रिसमस कुकी क्लब. It's about a club where there are I think 10 or 12 ladies. I don't really remember guys, मैंने बहुत पहले ही बुक पढ़ी थी. 10 और 12 ladies और वो लोग कुकीज़ जब खाते हैं उस क्लब में इकट्ठा होके, they tell the stories behind the cookies. You know, जब वो कुकी बना रहे थे उनके लाइफ में क्या चल रहा था, या फिर some special memories attached with the cookie, and it's beautiful. It's only about girls, so maybe girls out there you will be interested, and if you're a baking lover you may just grab this book for all the cookies recipe out there because they have some amazing cookie recipes. So yeah, the next book that I'm going to suggest is a very very famous book. It is called The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Look at how cute she was, how pretty she was, you know. So these are basically diary entries of a 13-14 year old girl, और वो रोज़ आके अपनी डायरी लिखती है. तो दिस इज़ बेसिकली उस टाइम की बात है व्हेन हिटलर अनाउंस्ड कि ऑल द Jews need to be assembled in the military concentration camps. And she was a Jew, and she and her family, they went on hiding. And वहाँ पे कैसे, like how this girl could be so positive considering the massacre that was happening around her. And she is such a beautiful writer. वो अपना daily experience लिखती है, वो जो feel करती है वो लिखती है, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. If you big, and this is in the non-fiction genre, so if you don't like fiction, you may pick this up. It's a beautiful book. You should read it to understand, you know, if you're a teenager you will relate to so many instances. और अभी तो यार हम लोग लॉकडाउन पीरियड में है, घर पे बंद है, लेकिन हमको बाहर जाना एटलीस्ट अलाउड है. एंड वी डोंट हैव द फियर ऑफ, लाइक वी हैव द फियर ऑफ डेथ ड्यू टू कोरोना, बट वी डोंट हैव द फियर ऑफ डेथ दैट समवन इज़ गोइंग टू कम एंड किल अस, या फिर कोई हमें घर से उठा के ले जाने वाला है. एंड इन दैट एज शी वॉज देयर ऑल अलोन, और उसको कोई समझता नहीं था at certain point of time, and she used to vent out all her feelings through her diary. और उसकी सारी एक्चुअली ये डायरी एंट्रीज डच में थी, but they have been translated into English. So yeah, you should. Now the next book that I'm going to recommend are also diary entries. This is called The Diary of a Wimpy Kid. इसके कई सारे versions आते हैं. So this is about this very small boy, 13-14 year old boy called Greg, और वो रोज़ आके अपनी डायरी लिखता है. तो यू सी देयर आर सर्टेन इलस्ट्रेशंस विच आर वेरी फनी, एंड दिस इज़ नॉट अ बुक जो आपको बहुत मोटिवेट करेगा या फिर बहुत कुछ सिखा देगा, बट दिस इज जस्ट फॉर फन. लुक एट द इलस्ट्रेशंस, दे आर सो क्यूट. सो ग्रेग इज़ देयर, ही हैज़ एन एल्डर ब्रदर एंड अ यंगर ब्रदर, एंड his family, it's about the shit he does, how he tackles with his friends and everything, and this is just hilarious. Look at the illustrations though. You know, no matter how old you are, if there are pictures in a book, you will ultimately get interested. So yeah, this was that. Now the next book is something जो मैंने बस आई थिंक 6 या 7 पेजेस पढ़ी है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज मुझे उतनी इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लगी, बट मैं आपको रेकमेंड इसीलिए कर रही हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज़ अबाउट चाणक्य. दिस इज़ अश्विनी सांघी's Chanakya's Chant. Now if you're somebody who is very interested in history and thriller as well, so this is a historical thriller and I'm recommending this to you because the language is very easy. Okay, the language is very easy so you can understand it. Or if you're somebody who is usually जिसको history के बारे में और ऐसे famous personalities के बारे में जानने का बहुत interest है, so maybe for that reason you want to pick up this book. So that's that. The next book is Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami. Now this is about a love story. So there's Toru, the protagonist. There's a girl called Naoko who is the depressed one, and then there's a girl called Midori who's all sassy and energetic and chirpy and bubbly all the time, and Toru has to make a choice between Naoko and Midori, and it's a beautiful love story. मैं ज़्यादा कुछ plot के बारे में नहीं बताऊँगी because you need to experience it all by yourself. But एक suggestion from my side is don't pick this book up if you're less than 13. Okay, because there are certain instances which I feel will not have a very healthy impact on you. You can read it, but my advice to you will be not to pick this up if you're less than 13, because there are certain things which you should not probably read from this tender age. Now the last book, not really book but collections that I'm going to suggest you is any sort of short stories, because when you're starting to read ना आपको मन नहीं करेगा उतने लंबे बुक्स या फिर novels पढ़ने को. So maybe you can begin with short story. This is a very basic one. It has short stories by very famous writers like Leo Tolstoy, Munshi Premchand and Charles Dickens and a lot many famous writers. But you can pick up any short stories. Like I remember जब मैं स्कूल में थी और library period हुआ करता था, my friends used to wait to go and grab Goosebumps. Like they were like ghost stories. So you can pick up ghost stories, you can pick up short stories, you can pick up any kind of short stories you want to. So yeah, I hope आपको अपने इंटरेस्ट का, अपने जॉनरा का कुछ ना कुछ तो इनमें से मिल गया होगा. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope कि after watching this video you will be a little tempted to maybe begin reading, and I wish you all the luck for that. अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट पसंद है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, बिकॉज दैट्स द ओनली मोटिवेशन दैट आई गेट टू डू बेटर ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. So yeah, until next week, bye bye.